On 26 June 2025, a National Council meeting took place in Bulawayo, where Masvingo urban opposition councillors, along with the representatives from various districts across Zimbabwe, convened for a local government program addressed by Emmerson Mnangagwa. This meeting, held at the ZITF main hall, attracted councillors from different regions of Zimbabwe, aiming to discuss pressing local government issues. Sanavena mashoko buda panguva inoonekwa kunzi Masvingo councillors snap Tshabangu's local government caucus meeting in Bulawayo and subscribe or like on the bell icon. However, the meeting took a contentious turn when ZANU-PF proxies in Tshabangu attempted to leverage the occasion to convene a separate meeting for opposition councillors at Gifford High School, situated just a stone's throw away from the ZITF main gate. In a call for attendance, Tshabangu urged all opposition councillors to participate. In course, all TSHABANGU party councillors kindly attended the TSHABANGU party caucus at Gifford High School, Bulawayo, located just across the ZITF grounds main gate. Despite the invitation, all Masvingo urban opposition councillors, along with their counterparts from other provinces, chose not to attend Tshabangu's meeting, demonstrating a clear snub. This decision reflects their broader reflection of Tshabangu's leadership, which they view as lacking legitimacy and recognition outside the ZANU-PF framework. Only a handful of elected councillors and some proportional representatives showed up at Tshabangu's meeting, indicating a stark lack of support for Tshabangu's agenda. Opposition councillors from across Zimbabwe who spoke to Change Radio expressed their non-recognition of Tshabangu, reinforcing their stance against his authority. Earlier this year, a similar scenario unfolded when Tshabangu held a meeting in Mucheke Hall, Masvingo, which was largely boycotted. Out of the 6 members of parliament and senators invited, only Senator Sam Chapudza and Honorable Tsungirai Rungawe attended. No councillor in Masvingo attended this Mucheke Hall meeting. Domashko arikuda panapa nyasi kunonzi aiwa panguva ino Tshabangu hachisisiri chinhu haachamboonekwi aiwa seefigure angakosheswa nevanhu. Tudze mafungiro enyu mutiude pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mufungiro enyu, subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.